In 2008, the first ever cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was invented. The goal was to create trustless, peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This means that you no longer need a third party to conduct digital monetary transfers. Today, a decade later, it's a global phenomenon known by most people, and we invite you to become a part of this new decentralized world. The first thing you will need is a safe place to store and exchange your assets. Trust Wallet is a fully decentralized multi-cryptocurrency wallet that solves this need. Download it from the Apple Store or Google Play. When downloaded, follow simple and intuitive instructions to create a wallet. Your private key is only stored locally and protected with many layers of security. All of your cryptocurrency balance is kept within the 12-word recovery phrase. To store your recovery phrase safely, write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a secure place. Use a password manager or store it in notes with password protection. It's very easy to send and receive cryptocurrency using Trust Wallet. Open your wallet, choose currency you'd like to send. Click Send. Paste recipient address or scan the QR code. Enter amount in dollars or in BTC. Click Next. Check if everything is correct. Click Send. If you want to receive payment, open your wallet. Choose currency. Click Receive. Copy and send your address or QR code. You're done. It's as simple as that. But Trust Wallet is much more than just a place to store and exchange your cryptocurrency. It also has internal Web3 browser that allows you to interact with decentralized applications, DApp, directly from the app. Unlike traditional applications, DApps run on a P2P network of computers rather than a single computer. They're designed to exist on the internet in a way that is not controlled by any single entity. Trust Wallet provides a seamless, simple, and secure connection between you, Ethereum network, and any decentralized application, DApp. Similar to banks, exchanges, and some online trading platforms, store digital currency for you and provide accounts and balances. However, the easiest way to prevent losing money is to withdraw your digital assets and transfer them to a controlled location, such as a Trust Wallet. By allowing you to keep a digital representation of coins and tokens to yourself, wallets give you full security and control over your portfolio. Regularly used by thousands of people, Trust Wallet is the official Binance cryptocurrency wallet, so be sure your funds are SAFU. Download Trust Wallet and help us lay a path to the mass adoption of blockchain.